You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by Zimpli Kids for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and check it out, Butch. It is slime blaster time.
Nope.
Yep. Let's back at a past video where we used a similar slime blaster, and you had the time of your life.
You know what? Now that you mention it, I did have a slime blast. So I'll go, yep.
Now, somewhere on the box...
Wait.
Yeah.
We got to say thanks to Zimpli Kids for sending this to us.
Zimpli Kids, thank you very much, Zimpli Kids. We appreciate our slime blaster with pump action. Just add water.
Pump action.
This is for ages 5, plus you get 12 packers of slime.
Yes.
And that creates 4 L's. You get 4 L's with this.
That's a lot of L's.
Yeah. And it goes 7 M's.
That's
and
a lot of
23
M's.
FTs. Yeah, right. I think they're trying to tell us something there.
It's all code. It's slime code.
All right, so step-a-row 1-0, it says, unscrew the slime tank from the slime blaster gun. How's that sound?
Very scary.
Well, that's kind of what I was feeling when I was looking at this. The brick wall in the back and the slime gooping down. I'm like the sinister Slimer.
Yes, I could see that.
Fill the slime tank with water.
That's the sinister LPS.
Yeah. Empty 1 sachet. What's a sachet? 1 packet.
It's a sachet.
Oh, sachet. Do a sachet into the slime tank. Screw the cap on the slime tank. Mix the slime up and leave for 5 minutes.
It's getting more sinister by the minute.
Remove the cap and screw the slime tank back on the blaster. That's step 5. Where's step 6? You just leave it sit like that for 3 days?
Big smile is step 6.
There should be a big 6 on his forehead. You are now step 6, where you can just slime your friendly neighborhood dog. No, don't do that. Nope. Don't slime no dogs. All right, we're going to come right back. We'll have this out of the package, and Butch and I will set up our slime blaster.
We're going to blast some slime.
All right, Butch, out of the box. Check that out.
Out of the box and ready for launching.
We have our 12 sachets, and then the actual blaster itself. All right, so let's move the sachets out of the way. All right,
Get
just
those sachets
little
out of the
packs
way.
that got the 2 G's on them, you know? 2G or not 2G? That is the question.
That is the question.
You get a cap, okay? Whoa. And then you get your blaster. Let's take a quick look. Pretty neat the way it's got that green slime going around that side.
Oh, that's not real slime.
That's not even the handle has like a green slime section, and you got a nice handle to hold on to it. So it looks like we're...
Correct.
How's that sound? Was that
I
good?
don't think it was squeaking unless it needs some WD-40 or something.
That was me. So you got slime blaster on this side, and then you've got this neat little orange effects going all the way around, right? All right, so let's take this off here, and then let's set this here, okay? Here's your cap that goes onto here, okay? And then you just look at it, I think. It's just all about looking at it.
That's right.
All right, let's look at it for a little. No, let's move on here. So what was step 1? Fill with water, all right?
Was water first?
Yeah, water was first. Yeah, I'm pretty sure water was first. Yeah, I'm 99% sure.
Sachet.
Oh, I guess you want me to read it out. Let's see. Fill the slime tank with water.
I was waiting for sinister LPS-Dave.
Empty 1 sachet into the slime tank. All right, here we go, everybody. We are going to fill it with water.
I don't know is anyone else annoyed right now by that sinister voice?
Really?
Careful. Nobody breathe.
The tension and pressure. Oh.
Steady hand.
I'm losing it. I got pretty high there.
You're going so well, LPS-Dave.
I know, the higher you go, the more angle you got to put. All right, Phil, we're going to leave a little air gap in there. Step 2, put the sachet in the container.
Correct, sir.
Let's just take a look at the little sachet. Okay, so it's a green powder With a pleasant scent to it.
A pleasant aroma.
Kind of reminds me of like a fruity gummy candy. All right, so then you put this on.
We don't want to
and
think
shake.
That it's fruity gummy candy.
No, we're not going to eat it. Okay, and then this is going to turn into some slimy creation.
Really?
Yeah. But while we're there, let's just set another one here so we can kind of take a look at it. It's about the same amount of water. What'd you think? A little bit less. We had about a cup, 2 cups.
Yeah.
I just want to look at it a little bit better. Take the sachet and put it in your measuring cup. Ooh, see that?
Wow.
Then mix with nothing.
Slimy.
I've got nothing to mix with.
Uh-oh. It looks slimy. How could it possibly turn all that water into slimy goo?
Let's find out. It reminds me of Jell-O. I don't know. All these food references today. Don't eat
Are
it.
you hungry?
I am a little bit hungry.
I can make Jell-O for lunch if you
Well, I'll
want.
tell you, we can check back at this.
I like to put all kinds of surprises in my Jell-O.
Yeah.
Like pennies,
pennies in your Jell-O.
Jacks.
Jacks in your Jell-O.
Treats. They're treats for the kids.
All right, I hear you. I hear you. All right, that's starting there. This is starting here. We're going to keep doing our little experiment. We will be back
Hopefully
shortly.
It'll be slimy by the time we come back.
Can't wait. All right, Butch, our slime arena is now set. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Bring it on, LPS-Dave.
All right, first things first. Remove the lid from the container.
Oh, my goodness.
How's that?
People, is anyone else worried about LPS-Dave
And you stick that in there. This is how they showed it in the picture, remember? And then they just said, leave it like that. I don't think they ever said, pick it up and shoot it. There.
Well, you remember his smile, don't you?
There you go, yes. And that's going to be me.
Uh-huh.
Now, we took our, measuring cup, right? I redid the calculations and added a second mix in there. It's about 1 cup per packet. So I put 2 packets in here. And now I have a nice slimy creation.
It's stringy slimy.
So what we want to do is get someone in here. So you hop in there, Butch, and we're going to...
Hey, LPS-Dave, I was thinking.
What?
Why don't we give someone else from the shop a turn?
Someone else from the shop.
Yeah, I had a chance last year. Let's let some of the guys from the shop in to get slime today.
Okay, how about this guy? Does he look like
Great idea.
And this guy.
Careful with him.
And then this guy, the Swedish chef. All right, good idea.
Don't slam the meatballs.
Big Bird. What do you think about this little people? A giant little people.
Perfect.
And then this little alligator guy. I don't know who he is.
Nice.
How about this? This guy would love it, being green.
See,
turtle?
these guys, they deserve their day in the spotlight.
Okay. Bert and Ernie. You want Bert and Ernie? Whoa,
sure.
almost knocked that over. Okay, so we're going to have a total slime party right now.
This is a slime party.
Oh, we got this guy here. We'll get this guy in here. He's mean. We're going to take care of him. Look at his eyes. He's got mean-looking eyes. Mean eyes. All right, are you ready?
Am I ready?
Are
these guys ready?
I will prime my pumper. Are you set? Pull back and... Oh, yeah. Prime and...
Got him.
Oh.
Whoa. Target practice. Oh, boy, it's spraying all over the place.
It's spraying everywhere. All right, we're going to have to check the camera in just a second. Look at that.
That's got some power to it.
It does. Look at that.
It says it can shoot it like 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet. Don't hold Butch to that.
Okay. Or 23 feet. I forget what 7M means.
That's pretty good, isn't it? Oh, now I see the angle. I was holding on the wrong angle now.
You gotta let that straw in there really draw that out.
Yeah, look at that.
Dave. Wow, they look like they're having a blast.
That is goopy. Now let's just see if we put this in here.
Good idea.
Oh yeah, see that last little bit?
It's a slime bath.
Super goopy. And guess what, Butch? I made some more.
Look at the turtle loves it.
Let me put some in my blaster too. And we're gonna get in there and we're gonna play with that. You want to play with the slime? You want to play with the slime?
I like to watch these guys playing. Looks like a blast.
Here we go.
Careful.
Now, if it's too thick, of course, you're not. Oh, look at that goopy, goopy. Ooh. Goopy, goopy slime.
Slimy.
Hey, don't forget to mix it up real good. Okay.
Wow.
There
This
we
is
go.
messy, LPS-Dave. Messy Marvin.
Yeah. And at least you can clean that up later. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh, yeah.
That turtle is in heaven right there.
He is. Look at him. He's like basking in the goo.
The other guys, I'm not so sure.
The Swedish chef. He's the Big Bird. Sorry, Big Bird. Bert and Ernie. Sorry, buddies. Oh, I think you can tell when it starts to get overly thick. I think it's time to get my hands in there. Let's just dump all this in there. Forget about it. It's slime fun.
It's time for slime fun. Because it's not just about the blast.
Oh, look at
it's
that.
about the slime.
Yeah. All right, so here we go. Oh, yeah, look at that. Definitely slimy. Oh, I feel it. Oh, yeah.
Wow. It's like a slime hot tub right there, LPS-Dave.
with all our friends hanging out. Hey, Butch, it's me, a turtle here. How are you today?
It's the Italian turtle.
How come you don't play this line with me? Come on in, Butch.
I bet you guys had your fun this time with the turtle.
Oh, this is so much fun, Butch. Oh, I'm so tall. Just my feet are going in the slime.
It's amazing. You're barely taller than that turtle right there, Mr. Giraffe.
Look at that. How tall I am. Well, Butch, I have to say, pretty successful.
Pretty successful is right.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah.
That was a slime blast like I've never seen before.
I know, and I'll have to clean that up later. All right, well, there you go, everybody. We checked out the slime blaster. It is fun. Make sure you do it outdoors.
Good call.
Yeah, because you will make a mess indoors.
And bring all your household toys.
Yes, and slime them all. Stuff that you can rinse off. That's what we grabbed here. Stuff we can rinse off real easy. And then look, it's a little finger puppet. That's a finger puppet too. I got 2 finger puppets. Hey, Bert. Hey, Ernie. Hey, Bert. Hey, Ernie. Hey, Bert. Like that. You know what I'm saying?
I think he's got slime in his mouth.
Yeah, look at that. Right. And thanks for watching, everybody. We had fun playing with our slime blaster. Look at that description for more information. You sure don't want some, Butch? Ooh,
I remember what that was like.
It's fun. That's what it's like. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody. Happy sliming.
Hey, Butch, come on up in here a little bit closer. I want to show you something. A little bit closer. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.